speaking still feels hard for you? It's frustrating, right? You know what you want to say, but it doesn't come out.
This is day 5 of the 365 challenge. Today, we focus on speaking without translating. Listen, repeat, speak with intention. I understand, I just need a second to respond. I understand, I just need a second to respond. I'm trying to say it clearly. I'm trying to say it clearly. Let me think about how to say this. Let me think about how to say this. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue. I know what I mean, I just need to say it. I know what I mean, I just need to say it. Give me a moment, I'm organizing my thoughts. Give me a moment, I'm organizing my thoughts. I'm getting used to speaking more. I'm getting used to speaking more. It's getting easier every time I try. It's getting easier every time I try. I don't need to be perfect, just clear. I don't need to be perfect, just clear. I'm focusing on communication, not perfection. I'm focusing on communication, not perfection. I'm starting to think in English more. I'm starting to think in English more. I'm building confidence every day. I'm building confidence every day. I'm not stopping even if it feels slow. I'm not stopping even if it feels slow. I can express myself better than before. I can express myself better than before. I trust the process. I trust the process. I show up and do the work. I show up and do the work. I speak even when I feel uncomfortable. I speak even when I feel uncomfortable. I'm improving step by step. I'm improving step by step. This is how I get better. This is how I get better. I'm becoming more natural every day. I'm becoming more natural every day. I speak, I repeat, I improve. I speak, I repeat, I improve. No excuses, just consistency. No excuses, just consistency. Real English, real progress. Day 5 complete. Comment Day 6 if you practiced.